Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. Today we're gonna go over how to draw Santa, a really cute version of Santa, black and white. Easy. It's so easy, any beginner can do it, and I'm gonna guide you through it step by step. So pay attention and let's start this little journey. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the beard. And the beard is going to have this bubbly look, like a cloud. And it's gonna tie up toward the top. Then we're gonna pull a straight line across. That's gonna be for the brim of the hat. Pull outward, up. And think of the hat as, like the brim of the hat is kind of like a rectangle, like a bent rectangle. We're gonna pull the hat, which is pointy. It's gonna go up to a taper. You can pull this as long as you want, and then throw a ball at the end of it. I'm gonna throw Santa's eyes. I'm gonna throw little kind of squinty eyes. A ball shape for the nose. I'm gonna give him a little mustache, a little white mustache. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go now and trace out the inside of the face. It's also gonna be bubbly, like a cloud. And then, if you really want, you can throw the ears on the side. And that's pretty much it. That's a really, really simplistic Santa. What you can also do is go on the outside and kind of give it a thicker line. And that gives it a different look. That gives it kind of a look like it's a sticker that you can just pick up. Just do the outer edges though, if you want to bold in the line. That's something I do a lot. Just a quick tip. And if you really want, you can also throw an eyebrow here. Square eyebrows. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, if you thought this was, interesting, if it was easy, I have an ebook on how to draw cute stuff. It's gonna be right in the description. Look down, first thing at the top, the description. Get that free ebook, and it's free. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys check that out, and it will help you. It's a lot of value, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.